When I saw this number, I actually did a double take. You saw the title of this video. Large Cardano holders have bought up $138 million worth of ADA in just 8 days. That is absolutely a crazy, crazy number. We're going to get into that here in just a minute. I want to thank you for a few minutes of your time. My name is Austin Hilton. I create content for the ClearCryptos channel, which you're of course on right now. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button below, hit that like button below. Also in the description below, you're going to find links to all of ClearCryptos social channels. I highly recommend you get involved in their Discord. That's where all major announcements of when Clear is going to launch and all that kind of stuff. If you also want to check out myself, my name, Austin Hilton, just go to YouTube, type in my name, and you'll find my crypto channel as well. So I create content as well. But I highly recommend you get involved here on the ClearCryptos channel because there's something unique happening here. There's multiple content creators, crypto YouTubers that are creating content for this channel. So there's nothing like the ClearCryptos channel anywhere on YouTube with multiple content creators delivering videos for you and to you with one goal: to help you navigate crypto better and just to bring value. So, all right, so let's get into this. This was absolutely a crazy, crazy deal. Look at this. Large Cardano holders gobble up $138 million worth of ADA in just 8 days, analytics firm Sentiment says. Look at this. It is crazy. Cardano whales and sharks have been feasting on ADA over an 8-day period. They've gobbled up hundreds of millions of dollars worth of smart contracts platform native asset in a little over a week. Cardano shark and whale dressers have accumulated a combined 138 million in ADA in 8 days after the mid-June dump around the local price top. This is only a mild accumulation, only a mild 138 million for now, but could get interesting if the trend continues throughout August. And if you look at kind of what is going on with Cardano right this second, you can see that it is up about 7% as of the recording of this video. It's up. That's a 7-day number, by the way. It's up 0.5%. On the why is that go away? Yeah, let's see. Never mind. It just started throwing these little things up there. Okay, there we go. All right. So Cardano, yeah. So up about. Let's refresh this just see real quick. So Cardano, there it is. It's up 0.5% in the 24-hour, 7%. But again, it's rising with the overall kind of market, the market rising. And again, it's at an $18 billion market cap right here, right now. It's right at that 7 spot. And usually XRP and Cardano are kind of giving that spot back and forth. But back to this. This is really, I love this. This is only a mild accumulation. Okay, 138 million is a mild. I guess it kind of is in the grand scheme of things when you're at a $18 billion market cap. Yeah, that gets 138 would be mild. Yeah. The data also shows that addresses holding 10,000 to 10 million ADA have added a combined 0.46 of Ethereum as well. That's interesting. Looking at Bitcoin. All right. So the rest of it's just kind of moving on, talking about some other things. 138 million. And here's what's going on. If you look at kind of the fear and greed index, we're rising there. We got good news on the inflation data front. The number came in at 8.5%. We were expecting 8.7%. So the number came in better. That's good stuff as well. I like that. And I think the overall market is just starting to maybe get a little bit better. With inflation easing, it would seem that if inflation is going down, okay, then it would bode well that we might be looking at a good scenario moving forward with money starting to flow back into crypto. Thanks for your time. As always, I appreciate you. Have a good one. Go make some money. Bye.